Hi, I'm going to show you how to make this crochet bear headband. I used medium worsted yarn and H hook. I did a chain count of 18. That is for the width across, which is about 4 inches or so. And I did about 42 to 44 rows. You can always make this bigger or smaller. Just go up or down on your hook size for a child. And you can make less rows for a child if you like. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to slip knot onto my hook and work a chain count of 18. This is the width of the headband, so you may need it smaller, and there is no right or wrong on how many chains. It just depends on how wide you would like this, and you can always make this smaller with less chains. Then in the second chain from the hook, I'm going to work a half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, and then work a half double crochet in each chain across until you get to the end. Going to chain 1 and turn and work a half double crochet in each stitch across until you get to the end, and then just repeat this pattern for as many rows as you need for it to fit around your head. So this is all repeat. Just work your half double crochet and then chain 1 and turn, and then just keep working this until you have your desired amount of rows. And then I am about to show you how to finish this. Okay, so you're at the end, you're going to yarn over, pull through, and then connect your ends together with your yarn and your yarn needle, and go through both ends and just go back and forth to connect this headband together. You're going to start with your white yarn, chain 1, single crochet across and around until you get back to the beginning on both sides. And if you like to add black trim around it like I did, I will show you how to do that as well. So just yarn over and pull through both loops for a single crochet. Pull your black yarn through, chain 1, and in each stitch around work a single crochet until you get back to the beginning, and you will do this on both sides of your headband. So yarn over and pull through 2 loops for a single crochet. Okay, so slip stitch in the beginning, yarn over and pull through to complete. Okay, now you're going to weave in your ends on the inside. Okay, turn it right side out, and then I'm going to add the ears. In the magic circle, work a chain 1 and then 10 double crochet. If this is your first time doing the magic circle, there are links down below on how to do it. Grab your yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops to complete for your double crochet. I did 2 ears in black, but it is easier to see it in the video with using the white yarn. Pull your yarn to close, slip stitch in the beginning, double crochet, you can pull it as tight as you can, and then chain 1, and then work 2 double crochet in each stitch around for a total of 20. And then you'll slip stitch once you get back to the beginning. And then slip stitch and work 1 chain 1 and then 1 single crochet in each stitch around, and this will make the ear fold in a little bit. You also can do single crochets around and leave the last 4 unworked, and then place that last 4 unworked stitches on the headband, or you can just do all single crochet around. It's up to you. Okay, I'm going to slip stitch, and then the ears are complete. Make 2 of those with an eye hook, and then I'm going to attach them onto the headband. Okay, so I sewed the ears on about 4 inches apart, and then I made sure the back seam where I sewed it together was right in the center back, so you can't really see it. And you may need it a little bit closer for the ears. I would try it on and see what it looks like, okay? Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's finished, and the pattern is down below. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, so thank you for watching, and please subscribe.